Have a good day, Ma'am Sir. I am Laarne Lastimosa Tiburcio, Filipino. I am 36 years old, single. I am high school graduate. I live in Barangay Victoria, Llanera, Nueva Ecija, Philippines. I have one sister and one brother. I am the youngest of the family. My work experience is that I work in Kuwait for 2 years and 3 months as domestic helper. I serve 4 members of the family, 2 adults and 2 kids, ages 9 years old and 11 years old. My duties and responsibilities are cooking, cleaning, washing, ironing, and especially taking good care of the kids. I work also in Qatar for 2 years and 7 months as domestic helper. I serve 5 members of the family, 1 adult and 4 kids, ages 3 years old, 8 years old, 10 years old, and 11 years old. My duties and responsibilities are cooking, cleaning, washing, ironing, sometimes marketing, and especially taking good care of the kids. I am hardworking person, honest, respectful, God-fearer, patient. To my future employer, Ma'am Sir, please give me a chance to work with you, and I promise that I will do my duties and responsibilities very well, and I follow your rules and regulations, and I show you how hardworking I am. Thank you. Have a nice day, and God bless.